On this video, I'm going to share with you how to make 2,000 naira daily on this website and how you can withdraw. Okay, welcome to my channel. All I do in this channel is simply share information on how to make money online for free. Go ahead and join the family if you haven't. So what all you do is simply write your reviews and get paid. Okay, I'm sure you're asking, how am I going to get my money? Relax, I will show you how. If you're ready to make money online in 2024, then you will have to subscribe to this channel because I share everything how to make money online for free. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So the name of this website is called Trust Finance. Okay, do not jump into the website yet because I will need to show you the things that you're going to do so that at the end of the day, when you're done writing your reviews, you will get your money transferred into your local bank account. All right, so the name of the website, like I said earlier, is called Trust Finance. You can clearly see it here. So Trust Finance is a website where financial organizations come to get reviews for their businesses. All right, different businesses register with this platform just so that they can get reviews, so that people can come and write reviews for their businesses or for their organizations. And that is why they need someone like you, okay, to be writing your honest review. All right, so while you write this review, you don't just write them for free, you get paid for writing this review. And that is why I'm sharing this with you, because I know that with this you can make some extra cash for yourself. You can use this as a side hustle and you can still make some money for yourself. Okay, so if you're writing your review, most times you are expected to write your honest review. Okay, so to help you select the most suitable company, you can compare your interested companies with our smart compare features for your benefit. Okay, so they have a lot of features on this website, or what they do here. Basically, job on this platform is quite simple. Okay, very simple. Just give reviews about companies that are listed on this website. Okay, if you come over here, if you come over to the top, you're going to see where you have log in. All right, so for you to be able to start writing reviews on this website, one of the things you're going to do is to register on this website. Okay, and then if you want to do that, you come up to the right top corner where you see login. You click on login and then it brings you over to this page. Then you're going to see create an account. Over here, you simply click on the create an account. You go ahead and create your account. After creating, this is what you're going to be seeing. Welcome to Trust Finance. We are glad you're here. We will help you find the best service. Let us know what interests you. All right, so that is that, and then you click on next. So when you look at come over here, you see that there are many companies that are here. Okay, so here you're used any of these companies before, please select at least 3 companies at least. So let us go over and select at least the ones you have used. I've used MasterCard, so I'm going to select MasterCard. I've used Zenith Bank, so I'm going to select Zenith. Let us look for another company that we can select. Okay, Trust Finance. Okay, let me not click on Trust Finance, let me use OK Coin. All right, so let us go ahead. Then after that, meanwhile, when you are doing yours, go ahead and click the select the companies that you have used or the companies that you have idea about. Okay, so that when you're writing your review, you're not going to be struggling doing that. All right, so right after that, you click submit and you wait. It is going to automatically submit for you, and then this is the interface that you're going to be seeing. Very simple, very easy, very simple, very easy. All right, so if you come up here, you're going to see please verify your email if you haven't received an email. So that's why I said use an active email account. All right, so let us confirm our email. So after you have successfully verified your email, this is what you are going to see here. This is the interface you are going to be having. Okay, so if you come to see your name where you have this C here, okay, by the left hand, you click on it. When you click on it, what you're going to be seeing is profile. what you're going to be seeing is profile setting. The profile here signifies, of course, your profile, your details, and all of those things. So you can click. Right after that, you also have invite. Okay, so this is another method of making money. Let's not go into that yet. So when you are done registering and you've verified your email address, the next thing that you're going to be seeing, this is what it is going to look like. Okay, so you come down and then you see a list of categories. You have forex, you have cryptocurrency, you have stock, you have financial, you have media, you have technology. So let us use media. I want to show you how you can start writing your reviews. Okay, so let us go over to media. All right, so we have CNN, we have Sky News, CNBC channel. So let us use channels. Okay, and then so this is the interface right now. So you have you ever used channel check? We're going to see no, I have not, yes, I have. Please ensure that you're clicking on yes, I have, because if you have not, how can you review something that you have not? How can you write a review about something that you have not used before? So go ahead and click yes, I have. The interface that you're going to see after you have clicked yes, I have. Look at this is what it looks like. Then you come over here and then leave a review, write a review. All right, you also have stars here, so you can click on the stars and then this is what you will have. Okay, so explain more your experience. Remember to be honest, helpful, and constructive. So the good thing about this website is that you will have to leave your honest review. Even if it's a negative review, even if it is not something positive, you have to construct it intelligently in such a way that you're not demeaning or you're not saying it with malice. Okay, so this is how you're going to write it. You're going to be leaving them your honest review. So you write here, and then when you come over here, you can write tell about your experience. You also give feedback. The character for this is 40. Then right after this, you also see advanced review. How would you rate your overall experience with the customer service provided by the company? You don't need to write if you want. All you need, you can just click on the stars and that is it. Then you can just keep clicking. All right, just like so. And then by the time you are done giving all this information, you now click on submit. Go back and emphasize why I said you should leave your honest review. If you had a terrible experience with a particular company and you're supposed to write a review, please leave them an honest review. The reason is because this review is going to help them improve on that particular product or on that services that they rendered to you the last time, so that the next time you're going to go there, you will not experience that issue anymore. Okay, so that is the reason why you should leave a honest review. So when you're done, you simply click on submit, just like I've shown you, and your review will be submitted successfully. You can do this for as many companies as possible on Trust Finance. Just follow the same process and you will get paid. Okay, it is very simple and it is very easy. So another way that you can get paid on this website is through referral. So when you come over to where you have your name, you click on the drop down, then you're going to see invite. Okay, so this invite is simply your invitation link. All right, all you need to do is to copy it. You click on where you have copy here, this copy icon, you just click on it, and when you click on it, your link is copied. Then you can now use it to invite your friend, invite your family members, and invite other people on your social media platform so that they can share their own experience. And the moment they join in and they verify, trust me, you're going to be making extra money aside the reviews that you are writing. So it's very easy to go through. So when you start earning, you will be paid with what is called trust point. Okay, that is what you're going to be paid with. trust points. These trust points can be converted into Amazon gift card. Actually convert Amazon gift card into your local currency that will be paid into your bank account. All right, no. So if you do not know how to convert Amazon gift card to your local currency, the comment section and just say, okay, how do I convert my Amazon gift card into my local currency? And I'll be very glad to do a video on that just for you. Okay, so if you have watched this video up to this point, please do well to subscribe. So please go ahead and subscribe, give this video a like, so that it will help the algorithm to push this content out there to other people that will need it, so we can all grow and make money in the online space together. Thank you very much for watching till the end. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.